Good day, sir. So this is my step-by-step procedure of how I created my listing. First, I'm going to put a vertical arrangement. And then we're gonna center this, fill parent. Then I'm going to put a label and then a text box. Then I'm going to resize this, say 30. So for the text and text label, I'm going to put my to-do list. Then going to the layout, I'm going to put horizontal arrangement. And then I'm going to put a button, horizontal, I'm going to put the width, I'm going to fill parent. Then button, button. This button one, I'm going to rename this as a add button. Say add BTN. Then rename this the remove BTN. And then rename the clear. Then for the blocking later on, I'm gonna have the text for button 1 is add, then text for button 2 is remove, and then text for button 3 is clear all. Then we're gonna center this. Say color is red, remove is then clear, say yellow. Screen 1, let's put a background image, upload file, and then listing the file that I uploaded. Oh, there's a problem. Say this arrangement, load file, nice. There we go. And then we're gonna put a list view here. Background is none. Then fill parent. Then in the storage here, we're gonna put a tiny database. Then let's go to the blocks section. So first, gonna in the variable initialize a global list listing app to create empty list. Then go to here when add button. Okay, add items to list. Then we're gonna get the global listing app. Then text box one text. Oh no, delete this block. Text box 1. Text. There we go. And then we're gonna set text box delete this block. Now set text box 1 text box 1 text 2, then text create a variable. Then we're gonna set the list view. Set the list view 1 elements. Set list view 1 elements to get the global listing up. Then we're gonna call our tiny database 1 store to store the value. Store the value then of the list to get the global listing up. Then the remove button, when remove button is clicked, we're gonna remove list item, remove list item to then get the global list. Then put here one because it will remove the starting the text that we input. And then we're gonna set duplicate this to get the global listing up. And then we're gonna call our duplicate this or tiny database 1, store the value of the list and then get the global listing up. Then when clear button is clicked, put here, when clear button is clicked, we're going to set global listing up to create an empty list. And then we're gonna set the list view to get the global listing up. And then we're gonna call our tiny database 1 to store the value of the list and get the global listing up. And then when screen 1 is initialized, we're going to set list view 1 elements to set list view 1 elements. Let me remove here. Delete block to call our tiny database 1 to get the value of the list and we're going to set a global listing up and delete this to list view 1 elements to list view 1 elements. And there we go. I have our design, and so rename this screen one listing app. Then gonna put icon, load file, icon, icon. Okay. So this horizontal, this, and there we go. I'll have our. Let's try this. We're going to build the Android application. Using the MIT App Companion, we're going to scan this QR code to install the app. Then, okay. Then open. Install. Install anyway. And open. And gonna test our app. So just put a to-do list of an engineer. So say you're going to step 1 is designing and to add, and then step 2 is inspecting, add. Then step 3 is testing. Say I'm going to remove the step 1 and remove. Then let's say again to design, inspect, test, and updating. Then let's clear this all, and that's it. That is how my listing app works.